Hi there, this is Amlan from explainwithexamples.com, and in today's tutorial we shall be learning about variables inside PHP. Like always, we'll be doing it with examples. So what are variables? In different languages, which you may have already learned, variables help you store data inside it. PHP is one of the best languages which I have come across because it is a dynamic scripting language. What does that mean? That means that in PHP, you basically don't have to define what the variable data type is. When I say data type, I mean strings, or whether the data is an integer, or whether it is a boolean, or whether it's float, something which you need to do in Java. And also when you use languages like JavaScript, you have to do something like you have to define var, like which stands for variable. Well, we shall be looking into it. First and foremost, I have established a connection with my local host, so you can see that we are successfully pointing to the WAMP page. That means we have successfully connected. And let me just go to my PHP basics series, and I will just do this as variables 9.php. So you can see there is nothing because we actually don't have anything in the page. So if I just write hello world, let me see what happens. You can see hello world comes. So perfect. We are pointing to the right script. Now let me just start with PHP opening and closing syntax. Now what we do in PHP is like we simply have the dollar sign preceded by the variable name. So say that this is name, and then like depending on the value which I give, PHP automatically understands what a data type is. So here PHP understands that the data type is a string. If it had been like a dollar sign preceded by the variable name here is age, but then again you can see that I am not defining whether it is, whether it's integer or something like that. But as soon as I give the value, you can see that it has taken a different color now. It has taken the color orange. But that indicates now that PHP has understood that the data type here is actually an integer. Well, there can be different data types. There can be like boolean, which indicates whether it's true or false. Sorry, the dollar should be immediately preceded by the variable name, and then this is like true, or like doing it 0, or 0 means false and 1 means true. So this we will be looking at conditional operators when we make use of for loop or if loop, so we can be using those boolean values. But the point here that I'm trying to drive home is, in languages like Java, we would be actually doing like int age equal to 21. So there we are basically defining the variable data type and then declaring the variable value. So here the int which you see, it's basically inside Java. We are basically letting Java know that, hey, listen, I shall be requiring a variable whose name will be age. It will be an integer type variable, and I shall be like defining, or rather assigning it a value of 21. However, in PHP, when we want to do the same thing, we don't have to define, like we don't have to declare the data type, and we can directly proceed with assigning the values. And as soon as the server side compiling takes place, it's automatically understood, like PHP automatically takes into account the variable value and automatically assigns integer to integer, string to string. As soon as it sees that the value is within quotes, it understands that the data type is a string. As soon as it sees that there is no quotes, it understands that it is an integer. So let's do one thing. Let's just try and echo this out. So we can echo out our variable name, and then we can echo out our variable age. And we can do one thing. We can just embed some HTML. So we need to have the break tag. So I will just save this, and it should print out Amlan and 21 in separate lines. Okay, it's expecting this on line 5. Okay, actually my mistake. It's not a variable br, it's a tag. Unexpected that, so it was unexpected because this is a HTML thing, so the lesser than sign doesn't come, so we have to enclose it inside quotes. And always remember, like, basically echo is nothing but a PHP construct, or rather PHP inbuilt function. So normally I will just save this. So normally you would be writing that inside parentheses and followed by a semicolon, which is line terminator, and it works. And here it works. So Amlan followed by 21. So here you can now see that we have basically assigned values of Amlan and 21, which is a string and an integer, to our variables name and age without having actually defined what the variable data type is. And PHP by itself has understood that when we assign the value Amlan, that it was a string, that the name variable was a string, and when we assign the value of 21, PHP itself understood that the variable here was of an integer type data type. That is why when we echoed out the name and the age variables, it has successfully rendered on the screen Amlan and 21, as you can see. But please don't forget that here Amlan stands for a string, whereas 21 stands for the integer type variable. Hopefully that makes sense. Until next time, it's me Amlan from explainwithexamples.com waiting you at you. Thank you.